Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Frugalisama. My name's Sam. This is where I talk about all things sewing. So just a quick video from me today highlighting another prize from the Sew Frugal 22 challenge, which is a challenge that I'm running over on Instagram with my pal Ruan from the Yorkshire Sew Girl. I think you know the details by now, so I won't go into it. Today's vloggers will be Helen from Stitch Rip Repeat and Lauren. It's me, Lauren. So head on over to their channel for some more ideas of free patterns and things that you can make for the challenge. So today's prize is from Little Rosy Cheeks. So if you've not heard of Little Rosy Cheeks, this is a UK based business and she makes labels for inside your clothes or outside your clothes if you prefer. She does woven labels and leather labels. So what she's providing is a £20 bag of tricks. I've absolutely no idea what's going to be in this prize. It could be anything. I presume it's going to be labels, but I'll just show you some of the labels that she's got available on her website very briefly. So she does the labels with positive affirmations on them. So you've got I am loved, or you are loved, or love yourself revolution, that sort of thing. I particularly like the one that says made for greatness, which has got a picture of the planet on it. It's there to remind you that you're made for greatness and that you can achieve anything. Of the leather ones, there's a great one that says I made this, imagine what else I could do. That's laser engraved on a dusky pink leather with a geometric border. Perfect for adding the finishing touch to your handmade jeans, or you could put it on bags or something like that. So that's a quick one from me today. I'm wearing a Laundry Day tee, which is a free pattern over on Love Notions, another one of our sponsors. I did go into the details of that in another video, which I'll link at the end. So that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with another prize. Bye.